Okay, kiddos, so here's the volume escape room. It's going to look like this. It'll be on your Google Class, the e-learning classroom. So you'll click on the title Volume Escape Room, and then it's going to have your instructions. So you're going to use the volume clue page below, which is this one right here, and a blank sheet of paper together to help solve the puzzle. So you have to have this page and a blank sheet of paper in order to work the problems out. The password for number one is the picture where it says password number one right here. So just make sure you use that password to get started. When you click ready, or when you're ready, you're going to click on escape the cubic corridor. So right here's the escape room, and it's just like we do it in class. You click on there and you're going to want to write down all of your clues, because if you run out of time that day to work on it, you can go back to it and work on it the next day, and you're going to want to use the clues that you used the day before to get to where you ended. If you need a refresher course on volume, watch these videos. There's these two videos for volume. They're 10 minutes together, so they're not very long. And also you can ask questions in the Zoom meeting. But so those are the videos that are going to help you do the escape room. So this is the escape room. This is your work page that's going to help you. And then this is the password for number one. If you have any problems, like it says right here, or any questions, just post a private comment or email me and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. It should be fun. I know some of the questions are going to be a little more difficult, but do your very best. If you have questions, we'll talk about it in Zoom. Yeah, I think you guys are going to do great on this. Try to have it done by the Friday, April 3rd. So by Friday, have it completed by then. Some of you might do it in a day. Some of you might take a couple days. But if you have any questions, let me know.